So guys, I recently picked up a pair of Air Jordan 1s off of the GOAT app. I was a little bit interested in seeing what they look like in person. I've seen a lot of good reviews about them, seen a lot of people that really like the sneaker. So I'm getting my honest opinion, my honest take over probably one of the cheapest Air Jordan 1s on the market right now, and a lot of people are digging them. So let's go ahead and get to today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys tap in, pull up to the videos, and tell me what y'all feel about whatever topic we are talking about. And I must say, man, I'm gonna throw it out there right now. I cannot wait for the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. I know recently I said I didn't really want them just because I had so many UNC Air Jordan 1s before, but the UNC toes, I've seen some pictures of them just recently, and them things are looking A1, bro. I ain't gonna cap. So make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. Likes go a long way. It helps trying to grow, and it puts us in the algorithm. So right now, take a couple seconds. You guys hit that like button, man. Alright, man, shouts out to the GOAT app. Let's go ahead and pop these things open, see what these joints is hitting for. So like I said, I've seen a lot of people talking about them, you know what I'm saying, giving them their praise. Like they said they really like them, you feel me? So I was like, let me go ahead and check them out. It's not for sure, for certain that I will keep these. I really just got this for video purposes, so I can give you guys a little, you know, a little content, show you guys another pair of crispy Air Jordan 1s, potentially that a lot of people are not talking about. And the price, well, I'll tell you guys the price, and if you do like them, you probably jump all over this Air Jordan 1 right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Shouts out to the GOAT app for the packaging. You guys see the tissue paper, and check out the Nike box. So you already get something different off rip. You got like this tan Air Jordan 1 box with the white Nike up top. So let's go ahead and peel these things out. They're in there super tight, which is a good thing, I guess. I don't know if you guys remember my Air Jordan 1 Palomino unboxing. The box was literally destroyed. So I feel like I had to grab them. Check them out, Air Jordan 1 Palominos right here. But the box that these came in was a little too big for the Air Jordan 1 box, and they literally destroyed my Air Jordan 1 Palomino box. It is what it is. The sneakers are still in great conditions, you guys can see right there. But back to these Air Jordan 1s right here. Let's go ahead and, you know, get a little 360 of these bad boys right here. And then checking out the official size tag, it reads Air Jordan Retro High OG Craft, and it says they're sale pale vanilla and black. And of course I got these things in the size 9 just in case I did, you know, actually start liking them. I already got my size right here, so let's go ahead and peel the top open. We already got a little preview of it, a little snippet of them real quick. Let's go ahead and pull them out in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man, check them bad boys out. Air Jordan 1 Vibration of Niger. Or Nige, I think it's Vibration of Nige. Cool little name, you know, something different, a little spin-off. And just off first rips, it's nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing too crazy. And I kind of felt like I was gonna have this opinion when I first did see them, but it is a lot of different hits on this sneaker that are, you know, kind of eye-catching, that do, you know, give you a little bit of surprise when you do unbox them, because the quality, A1, I ain't gonna cap. So let's pull both of the sneakers out of the box real quick. You guys already know how it come. Gold sticker, and you got the authentication card right here. But yeah, man, you get no extra laces. Nope, no. Oh yeah, you do. You actually do get some extra laces. You get some sail, I think these like sail laces, or it might just be some stone white, you know, laces that you get with these Air Jordan 1 Vibrations and Nike. But when you think about quality for an Air Jordan 1, these definitely have it written all over as far as that softness of the quality. Even leading up to the Wings logo on these guys, it has some nice plush material, and even checking out the inner of them, they have some nice material as well, kind of making it a little bit more comfortable, giving them more of that, like that premium look, that premium touch. And for Air Jordan 1 that's going for as low as this is right here, you're getting your bang for your buck for a pair of Air Jordan 1s. Like I said, for these Air Jordan 1 Craft Vibration and Nige, they're going for the low. Like, check out the prices real quick. You guys can see for even a size 9, they're going for $117. And you go all the way across, they're literally all going for under $135, which is crazy. So that's what I was saying, for a good quality Air Jordan 1 like this, plush material, really nice leather quality, you are getting a nice Air Jordan 1. But it might not be for everybody, so I'm not trying to, you know, push this on everybody. But if you are in the market for a good reasonable price, a decent color Air Jordan 1, nice little colorway, this is not, you know, half bad at all. I ain't gonna lie, like this kind of like craft material or this recycled material look that they threw on the ankle portion and on Nike suits is actually pretty nice. It's different. You guys know when Jordan Brand does different things, it kind of is eye-catching. And this one right here, they went all out, giving us something I've never seen before. This material, I don't even know what to call it. I would say it's like recycled material, but I honestly do not know. I'm not just gonna throw a name on it because I honestly don't know. And you also get that same kind of material look on the Nike Air for the tongue on these guys. That nice cream outsole is pretty nice, more of a tannish colorway, but you do get like the tannish creamish, you know, laces in these guys and the trimming all around these Air Jordan 1 crafts. So definitely a sleeper Air Jordan 1. Not a lot of people were talking about them. I honestly only seen these because the homie, the Retro Wiz kid, did a video on them. I said, bro, what is the name of these sneakers? I never seen them, never heard about them. So he kind of, you know, put me on game with this colorway right here. But I wanted to check it out in hand, get a nice little good look of it, because a lot of people, like I said, are not talking about this Air Jordan 1 at all. Like the resale is non-existent. You'd be crazy to pay retail for them because they're literally going way under retail on all your apps, StockX, Go, in the third-party apps that you do check. You're getting these for around $130 out the door. So I want you guys to give me your honest thoughts and opinions over the Air Jordan 1 Craft Vibration and Nike. I hope I'm saying that right. But like I said, the quality is super nice. Tumbled leather all the way around these guys. And like I said, if you are looking for a nice, reasonable price Air Jordan 1, this is probably the cheapest, nicest Air Jordan 1 on the market right now, hands down. And again, man, check out that nice tannish, creamish Air Jordan Wings logo. That is super nice right there. Nice little touch. Kind of give it that pop off of this little craft material on the ankle portion and their entire off-white theme they threw on these Air Jordan 1s. And if I had to choose any laces, you know, to throw in these, you either got these thick, you know, kind of rope laces, or you have the white laces. I would definitely throw the white ones in there. They might be super crispy, super clean, but you guys let me know what you think. You're gonna go with the white laces or the cream laces that already came with these Vibration and Nike Air Jordan 1s. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping in, trying to give you guys daily content. We're dropping a lot of shorts recently, so make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you are notified when we do drop shorts. Got a lot of different dope ideas for the short series on the channel, so please stick around, stay tuned for all video, all content that we will be dropping on the channel. Make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video. Give you guys a quick unboxing. Let you guys know about Air Jordan 1 that's really under the radar. Not a lot of people are talking about it, and they're going for a really, really nice steal price right now, way under retail. So again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.